We've connected orders to machines. That's today, but where this goes next, sky's the limit.
Your vision is a combination of the culture you build in your business, which is controlled by the mindset.
Plan, and if you think you're done, you start planning again. That is the biggest thing we can take out of this.
Keep fighting, keep working and keep innovating, and that's all you can keep doing. As a group, we all have to work together to keep our industries alive.
We should be learning off each other. We should be finding out what's working for you and what's working for me and sharing those and actually all growing our business, because there's so much work out there to be done.
For the first time in probably 40 years, we're all talking together about the same message, which is how can we help you, all of us together.